Hello, my name's James Watkins. I studied initially in Coventry University and then the Royal College of Art in London.
My name's Hyunwoo Kim. Originally I'm from Korea, but I moved over to the UK when I was 4 years old.
Hello, I'm Verena from Berlin in Germany. I'm a graphic designer, typographer and type designer.
Hi, my name is Akash. I'm a senior experience strategist with IKEA in India, work in the global digital office. I think Strate students are pretty ready for the industry because I think it's also the exposure that they have in the institute.
I just can say what an amazing place with all these facilities, and I hope a lot of the students are aware of what they have here and that they are using these facilities.
I think what we've seen today has really impressed us, particularly their presentation skills. You know, they've practiced what they want to say.
I think the students have shown fantastic potential. I think it's great here in Strate. I kind of love the location. I love the idea of being in the middle of this kind of green farmland area with this fantastic building. It's certainly nicer than where I studied.